Hey guys, welcome back. So we're testing a new tent, the Vango Lomond. What is it? Vango Lomond?
500?
Vango Lomond 500. So Andrew was just showing you a wee bit. Well, showing you. He's going to record us pitching the tent. I'll pass you back to Andrew. Right folks, so that's the Vango Lomond up. It's a wee bit windy up here like, but got the Vango Lomond 500 up and running. It's a bit of a pain. I mean it isn't a bit of a pain because that thing's coming out again, Tan. What? That thing's coming out again. That thing's coming out again. I need a thicker peg for that. We've got one thing here just doesn't, one guide rope doesn't want to stay in, but as we camp for the few days we'll give you a wee review of the Vango Lomond 500. Good morning. So yesterday when we arrived the weather was a wee bit crazy, so we just pitched the tent up and that, and then as you can see the sun's shining quite a bit today, so I figured I'd give you a walk around of the tent, a wee review of the Vango Lomond 500. And if you want to know how much I paid for this tent, then stick around till the end of the video. It will shock you. So this wee porch area at the front isn't the widest. No door on the front, which is quite annoying. I think it would have benefited from having a door on the front. Move inside, ignore the bugs on the bloody ceiling. Hundreds of them. This is the little porch area here. It's a fair size, I guess. You can certainly at least get a table in. I mean, lengthwise it's not the greatest. Like it's about a metre in length. Widthwise it's fine, but I feel like this should have been extended out to where this porch starts. And then you've obviously got the two blackout bedrooms, which, so our bedroom is this one here, which is absolutely fine. It does fit a queen size airbed in there, so we've got the queen size airbed in there, and then Andrew's bedroom is this one here, which he's got his 2 singles in there. The bedrooms are quite spacious. I suppose it is only supposed to be a 4-man tent, but aye, it's not bad. It could be better. You've obviously got a side door here, which we'll need to open up. You do have a couple of windows either side of these. There is no front mesh on the door to stop the bugs getting in, so it's just the main door, which I suppose you get spoiled in the Zonda. I don't know why. I shouldn't really be comparing it to the Zonda, but I mean, could do with a wee mesh door there. You've got a bit of airflow up top here. Height wise, I mean, I'm 5'9". It's still, if you put that at eye level, there's still quite a bit of height. I reckon somebody easily 6'2" could maybe stand in it. You've got the window at the side with the adjustable. You can either roll that down. You see the vents at the bottom there. Vents at the bottom there. You can roll that down, roll it up, however you want. It does come with the tension arms, no storm strap. The tension arms, I think. Yeah, we do need to open that door, but overall, for a family of 3, it's a decent size. It's a weekend tent for us. So I mean, usually when we go away, oh there you go, Tanya's opening up the side door now. If you do have the king poles, you can obviously extend that out to be a wee side porch for you. We just didn't bring them this time. And what we'll do, once we've had his breakfast and that, I'll give you a walk round tour of the campsite, because I got permission of Karen, the host, to do it, so that's good. Right, there you go. See, the side door's got mesh, right, but the front door doesn't. I feel the front door should have had a bit of mesh, but anyway. So that's the Lomond 500. Take a wee walk around the side as well. That's it from the side when it's fully pitched. Got the Vango logo there on the side. I don't know how well you'll see that on the camera though. You do have a little lip here, so just go careful if you do have one of these tents and you're pitching at pitching time. I'd say if you know what you're doing, 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't know what you're doing, about half an hour. The anchor points on the side here, for some reason they're only on one side, which I don't understand. I don't know why they're only on one side, but they are. This is just the back end of the tent. I mean, it's solid enough. I mean, see, there's no anchor points on the side of here, but there is on the other side. You've got an electric inlet there, and you've got your side vent here, which we forgot to open, which probably doesn't help much, but we forgot to open that. Now, I did pick this tent up as a refurb. I got it from, where was it? I think it's Camping Recycled. It's Vango's. If you go onto the Vango website and go to recycled, then they have tents that they've either been refurbed or returned and things like that. And there's literally, I'll show you. This got returned because of a tater on the back, which they obviously fully repair before they sell you. That's it. Now, I believe this tent when it was new was around, I think it was a mid-range, so you're talking about 300 to 400 quid when it was new, I think. I'll need to check that. But aye, that's the tent in its entirety. Overall, I'd say it's a nice wee size for a weekend tent. If you were going longer than a week, if you were going longer than a weekend, I'd maybe look at something bigger, especially if you've got a bigger family or there's 4 of you, because this inside space honestly gets cramped with just 3 years in it. So that's the Vango Lomond 500, and I paid £125 British pounds for this. So this is our weekend tent now. So I just wanted to show you a wee addition that we made to our camping setup. We decided to buy the double gas stove burner and the wee gas bottle there. We've used it pretty much all weekend. It's been brilliant. We've got the bacon on the go in the frying panel. I just thought I'd share that with you. It's a new addition to our camping setup, including the battery pack that's ever there. It's been brilliant, that battery pack, by the way, since we bought it. It's been a lifesaver. Absolute game changer, the battery pack. We've still got the wee mini barbecue in there, just in case we want to barbecue it. We bought a new kettle, and we bought a new table. I don't think you've seen this table before. Aye, so there's some new additions to our camping setup.